It's a 2017 Dodge Charger. It's a salute to its muscle car past while embracing today. A great vehicle is comprised of great features like these: HEMI engine, rear-wheel drive, automatic transmission, forged aluminum wheels, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, Wi-Fi hotspot, dual zone climate control, external memory control, heated steering wheel, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and heated and ventilated leather sport seats. Edmunds.com notes the Charger proves that driving a large sedan doesn't have to be boring. The steering feels sporty and precise, and while the ride quality is supple and forgiving on bad surfaces, this big car offers impressive control and balance when you hustle it around tight turns. Power, performance, passion, Dodge. Driving is believing. Test drive it today. You're not just a number at Cowles Nissan. You're a family member. We work hard to make owning a new vehicle easy, fun, and affordable. We're conveniently located at 14777 Jefferson Davis Highway in Woodbridge.